Welcome to Cybersecurity in 60 Seconds, where our goal is to quickly connect you to your cybersecurity world. I'm Mike Echols. Well, the Department of Homeland Security is set to deliver a cybersecurity mandate on railroads and rail transit systems. But of course, the rail associations are saying they can take a bite out of their own cyber malfeasance. DHS is responding, we don't like the way you rolling. So under the new rules, we, DHS, will make sure that the country's most important railroads and transit systems will identify a cybersecurity coordinator, report cyber incidents, and create incident recovery plans. This will apply to passenger rail companies in the largest and most important areas like New York, MTA, or DC, WMATA. However, some rail entities will get voluntary guidance that encourages rather than requires them to take action. So move over safety culture, because cybersecurity has made it to transit. DHS Secretary Mayorkas has said that there is no better example of how the cybersecurity threat can impact our lives than in the transportation sector. So he's putting cases on aviation too. TSA will require U.S. critical airport operators, passenger aircraft operators, and all cargo airlift operators to follow many of the same rules. Critical infrastructure in general better tighten those response plans, because training days are over. This is Mike Echols. I'll talk to you soon.